Hello, thank you for joining me for another video beer review. Today I've got a beer from the Kernel, and it's a bottle of their Pale Ale Simcoe, Cascade and Huel Melon. 5.3%. This was canned. It was bottled on the 22nd of February 2022. Best by, see what that is, 22nd of June of 2022. So plenty of time on it there. There's not much else information really apart from that. A little bit more online. This ranges in ABV when they brew it from between 5 and 6%. So this one, individual one's 5.3, 500ml bottle. So they've got a bit of information here. So it says malted barley, dry and light-bodied to better showcase the individuality of the hops in both the aroma and flavour. A basic recipe followed with each batch utilising different hop varieties from around the world based on seasonal availability and the whims of the brewer. So, which they always, you know, anyone who knows Kernel out of Bermondsey in London know that they just put stuff together that's available at the time, or perhaps what they've got left over from something else. But I do like the old 500ml bottles. Great value as well, and I've never had a bad beer from these guys. So that's across all different styles as well, not just pales. Leave it like that for now. It's quite clear for a Kernel beer. Just wondering what's in the bottom here. We'll find out in a minute. So I've just below a finger of white head, gentle carbonation running up through the beer. Lots of tiny little particulates in there, so maybe there'll be a little bit more junk at the bottom of the bottle. We'll see. But yeah, looks the part. Nice kind of strawy, lemony in colour. Let's get aroma then. You're definitely getting that kind of Bavarian hop aroma. Quite light. Touch of gooseberryness about it. Definitely hedgerow fruit, floral, paler kind of stone fruits, but not citrusiness. Yes, it's not. There's a little bit of waxy lemon. I mean, it smells. There is a little bit of almost like a jammy quality to it, lemon jam. Did you get lemon jam? Smells good. I'm intrigued. Not getting crazy amounts. Let's give it a taste. Cheers. Oh, really nice and light. Quite refreshing. Clean and refreshing. Oh, that's beautiful. There's a little bit of resininess that kind of sticks around on the palate. The body of the beer is really quite low. Definitely the low end of a medium. Maybe the upper end of a low body kind of deal. It's right in about that point. No hint of the ABV, you know, as you'd expect. But the overall quality, it's almost like the water, or probably more the ingredients they've used in this. It's just really nice and approachable. It's not bitter or sweet. It really is clean. Clean at first. You're getting a kind of a melon quality to it. Honeydew. Subtle but not full on. Then a nice kind of grassiness to it. Cascade. Was it Cascade and I'm not getting much of this Simcoe. Cascade is definitely there. To me, it's more about the Hallertau melon, and that's definitely hazy in there. So this is going to change up a little bit. So I don't think there's any other information there. No. Not sure how long Hallertau, or Hallertau, I think they call it Hallertau. It might be Hallertau melon. I think it's in that same family. I don't know if it's been out a great deal of time. That Huel Melon, or however you pronounce it. Smells absolutely wonderful. One more taste. Right, it's going to cloud up a little bit now. It's going to go more full on. Going more full on. Kernel. Now, there's nothing on the bottom of the actual. I mean, that's more what I was expecting. Got their beers like that, which is normal. There's no bits. There's no bits floating around in it. It's just that it's a very refined, bottle conditioned beverage. Not really getting much on the aroma. As the taste changed, a little bit more creamier, a bit more fuller in the mouthfeel. Not quite as refreshing as it was before. Flavour profile's smoothed out. It's more rounded now. A little bit more creamier, a little bit more tight. Still them same core flavours, but ironed out slightly. These guys just don't do bad beers. They just don't. I can't even remember how much I paid for it. It was for a 500ml bottle. This is £3.20. £3.20 for a 500ml bottle of a 5.3% beer. You know, just ridiculous. You just got to get them. But yeah, because you just know you're going to get quality. Doesn't matter what it is, you're going to get quality. Within style, you're going to get it a great quality beer within its style. Nothing else to say. They speak for themselves, these guys. They don't need crazy, flashy kind of bottles. Everyone knows who they are. Everyone knows the quality. They just get on with it and do a great job every time. So let me know if you've had this one before. The Kernel Brewery in Bermondsey in London. So yeah, check them out. Information down below as usual, playlist, etc. Thanks for watching then, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.